Engineer Louis Alcarde again from Midas IT Philippines. And today naman po ang i-introduce ko sa inyo ay ang ating bagong program which we call Midas Engine. Now, ang ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayon, hindi kung ano po itong Midas Engine. Ito po yung next generation solution for building analysis and design. Ang nandito po sa ating Midas Engine, meron po tayong all-in-one design system from automation, which will reduce our production time significantly. Meron po itong functions such as to auto-generate ng members from 2D CAD tracing, auto-generation of mesh, automatic design checks, and of course, auto-generation of drawing, design report, and quantity takeoff. Ngayon naman po sa ating optimization, it will enhance optimized quantity takeoff. Meron po itong optimum section size by preliminary design. And of course, auto-calculation din po ng ating steel sections and reinforcement reflecting minimum weights and constructability. Ngayon naman po sa high quality, ito po yung high quality standardization of design deliverables. May auto-generation po ito ng structural calculation report, high-quality structural drawings, and auto-compilation of quantity takeoff reflecting constructability. Now, ano po ba itong nasa loob ng ating Midas Gen? Easy lamang po, meron po tayong easy and fast CAD-based modeling na meron po tayo ditong CAD tracing based modeling and auto-generation of members from 2D drawings. Building specialized loading naman po, meron tayong slab load and of course, auto-generation of wind and seismic loads. Meron din po tayong accurate analysis and results. Ito naman po, merong auto-generation of mesh by members. Meron din po tayong various analysis cases which can be separately or jointly analyzed. Next po, itong ating optimum design. Meron po tayong optimum section size by preliminary design. And ang status of design acceptance criteria is displayed in colors. So, mas bandali po sa atin na mag-optimize ng ating design using Midas Engine. And lastly, meron po tayong auto-generations of output. Ito naman po, nag-auto-generate ng structural drawings and reports and also quantity takeoffs by members, materials, and etc. Now, ang benefits naman po ng Midas Engine, it is the most advanced structural engineering system which has integrated the total process of structural engineering practice from 3D modeling to analysis, design, and 2D drawings. With the automation of optimization facility, it generates a comprehensive structural drawing, structural calculation reports, and quantity takeoffs, which helps the engineers reduce time required to produce high-quality design deliverables and of course, gain productivity in that. Now, ang workflow naman po ng ating Midas Engine, we will begin in our modeling. Meron po itong easy and fast CAD-based modeling. Ano po ba itong fast CAD-based modeling? Ito po yung meron po tayong CAD-based modeling. We can define our members by a way of drawing lines in CAD and use snap points or define a member by specifying the coordinates of the member endpoints, and of course, various editing functionalities such as extend, trim, and offset. Ito po kasing engine, para na po siyang CAD din po, parang CAD-based yung kanyang modeling. Everybody knows naman po what CAD means. So, next is our CAD tracing. Mas madali na po for Engine to assign the members on CAD tracing lines and snap points on intersect or endpoints of CAD tracing, and also auto-generation of members by recognizing CAD layer. Makikita po natin dito sa ating example na nanggagaling lamang po sa ating 2D CAD drawing yung ating pag-generate ng ating building. Next po is ating auto-generation of members. Isa din po yan sa advantages ng ating engine. Nag-auto-generate po siya ng members using CAD tracing. We can generate walls, columns, and beams in this. And also auto-generation of slab by recognizing the closed area. Makikita po natin yan na pag may closed area na po siya, kagaya po nito, i-auto-generate po ni engine yung slab ng ating structure. Lastly, for member offset, mas madali po na iset na ang reference ng ating section to the top of beam or slab members. Pwede din pong members will auto-cut or merge, reflecting the connectivity between member types. Makikita po natin yan dito. Now we can easily change the offset of our members. Now next po sa ating modeling is yung ating accurate analytical model simulation, which is may various modeling features po and boundary conditions ang ating engine. First of that is the accurate construction shape simulation. Ito po yung plate beam member, wall column member, and arc wall member. Makikita po natin yan dyan. Meron din po tayong multi-tower building. Auto-generate din po siya ng wind and seismic loads assigned by towers. And auto-generate din po ng floor diaphragm for each tower naman po if we have this kind of project. Now, ang Midas engine naman po, may feature na siya to generate multiple diaphragms. It can define multiple diaphragms for diverse mass centers in the identical floor level, katulad po na nakikita natin sa picture, and also auto-generate ng diaphragm by floors. Next naman po, itong opening. Mag-easy generate na po ang ating engine ng mga opening whenever we need it in our projects. And auto-generate po ng mesh reflecting various shapes of the opening. Depende po yan sa ating klaseng opening. Now, on our loading and analysis, meron po tayong practical loading definition for building design. Ito po, may intuitive user interface po siya for fast data input. First is defining our slab load. Now, in the definition of slab loads, pwede na po natin siyang i-define slab loads into slab members. And mas madali na po i-revise yung applied loading value and ang ating area dito sa ating Midas engine. Now, we can also define wind and seismic loads when we apply it in our loading and analysis. May auto-generation of wind and seismic loadings na po for the building. And may loading profile and report generation na po siya, automatic, katulad po na nakikita natin sa picture. And of course, seismic loading input due to response spectrum function, meron na po niyan dito sa ating Midas engine. Now, we can also define notional load. Ano po ba itong notional load? It can auto-generate for notional loads as per Eurocode and BS code. And may equivalent horizontal force na po ito based on the user-defined proportion ratio of the vertical load. Alam na po natin yan. Next po is we can also define our loading functions dito sa ating Midas engine. May loading definition na po tayo dito in the form of a user-defined function. Definition of soil pressure loading using geotechnical investigation results. Pwede din po natin gawin yun. And of course, change the loading positions by moving the member. Kasi nag-iiba po yung ating loadings kapag nag-move tayo ng member, so automatic na po yan sa ating Midas engine this time. Now, ang next naman po, meron tayong advanced analysis features dito sa ating Midas engine. Ito po yung parametric design using analysis cases. Makikita po natin na significantly, mas mabilis po yung speed natin for linear static, modal, buckling analysis, crane, and construction stage analysis dito sa ating Midas engine. It can also create various analysis cases composed of combination of members plus loads plus boundary conditions of the modeling data, which can be separately or jointly analyzed, or coupled analysis can be performed as well. Now, we can also combine member force results of various analysis cases as required at the design stage. Now, meron din po tayo dito sa ating advanced analysis features, meron din po tayong auto-generation of mesh reflecting connections between members. Makikita po natin na mag-auto-create na po ang analytical model natin from a geometric shape model, for which Midas Engine creates fictitious nodes at the connection positions where members meet. So, mas madali na po sa atin yan gawin. Meron din po tayo ditong direct analysis method, or tinatawag po nating DAM as a new design method for stability. Available na po ito, which includes nominal geometric imperfection and stiffness reduction effects directly within the structural analysis for a more accurate structural behavior. Now, so much for our loading and analysis. Punta naman po tayo sa ating design. Dito naman po sa ating design, meron tayong optimal steel section and reinforcement calculations. Makikita po natin na meron tayong dito sa 2D member design. Meron na po tayong optimal rebar placement for wall and slab members. And also, a summary and detailed design report for 2D members. Ngayon naman po, meron din po tayong calculation of optimal steel sections. Makikita po natin na it can perform steel section calculations through searching for optimal sections from the section database on the basis of the target strength ratios of all the design categories, including relative displacements. And also po, meron din po tayong makakontrol na din po natin yung range of section sizes by member groups while keeping the auto control of limiting sections by member connection conditions. Hindi lamang po yan, kasi sa steel lamang po yan. Ang sa reinforced concrete naman po, meron tayong calculation of optimal reinforcing steel. Ito naman po magka-calculate na siya automatically ng reinforcement of minimum quantity reflecting the positions and spacing of rebars with respect to the width and depth of the member based on the target strength ratio for each design category. Now, in case of plate members naman po, nag-auto-calculate na po siya ng reinforcement corresponding to the XY local directions, as we can see in this photo po. So, meron din po tayo dito sa ating design, automation of design. Meron na po siyang intuitive setting for design parameters and checking the design results. First off, meron din po tayong auto definition of design parameters by members. Kita po natin na may makaka-auto define na siya ng design parameters as per design codes by design positions. Now we can also set design parameters all at once and check or edit the data in a table form, and also check auto-calculated design parameters such as unbraced lengths in contour graphics. So much for auto-definition of design parameters by members. Next po ang ating auto-generation of load combinations. May capability na po si Midas Engine to auto-generate load combinations using a template by load types based on a specified design code. So, depende po sa atin kung anong design code yung gagamitin natin. And meron din po tayong design code-based load combination templates through implementing user-defined database. So, pwede din po natin gamitin yung ating user-defined database na makikita po natin sa ating Midas Engine. Next po, we also have graphical design evaluation report or results, We can check the design results of the total model through strength ratios represented in colored graphics of design assessment categories. Makikita po natin yung members ng ating structure. If it's not checked to when it needs checking, kung okay na po ba siya, kung critical siya, or it will fail. Makikita po natin yan sa ating design evaluation result. And also, it can classify the design assessment categories considering the specified target ratio. Lastly, we can have a detailed design results check. Kikita po natin na we can select a member from the model view and generate a structural calculation report in Word format. We can do that in Midas Engine. And also assess the detailed design results of all the design check items by members in a table. So, kung gusto po natin siya ilagay sa table, we can also do that in our Midas Engine. Now, sa outputs naman po natin na ina-expect natin after we design using Midas Engine, meron po tayong auto-generation of high-quality outputs. Bakit po high quality? Because we have structural calculation report. Ito po, nag-auto-arrange na siya ng modeling and analysis result graphics to be inserted in the report from grid or plan information. Pwede din po nating included din po yung user-specified templates to use identical report format repetitively, and also a one-click to generate a structural calculation report integrated with modeling, drawing, and analysis results data. Another one is structural drawings na kailangan po natin talaga. Si Midas Engine po, nagge-generate na siya and edit structural drawings from Midas Drawing. Ito po yung tinatawag namin dito sa Midas IT Philippines na MCAD. Midas Drawing po yun. Of a 2D CAD environment. It will also generate column layout plan, framing plans, elevations, sections, loading plans, equipment pad layout, member list, and etc. Pwede din po natin siyang i-generate gamit itong ating structural drawings na pinoprovide ng ating Midas Engine. It can also create sections from framing plans at desired locations on plans in real time. And we can also use specified templates to define the CAD properties of all the auto-generated drawing composition entities. Now, pwede po nating i-change ito freely, the templates, as necessary kung kailangan po natin sila. Lastly, ang member quantities and interface system ng ating Midas Engine. Ito po, nag-auto-compile po siya ng member quantities reflecting constructability and two-way interface system. First off, may structural calculation report na po tayo ma-generate using Midas Engine. Kasama na po dito yung quantity calculations by lengths of a unit member and member groups. Kasama din po dito yung compilation of quantities based on center to center of members or lengths considering the member joints. Kasama din po yung quantities of steel members by steel grades or classification of concrete compressive strengths. Meron din pong quantities of rebar diameters and also calculation of formwork areas, fireproofing, anti-corrosive agent areas, and so on. Now, ito naman pong interface ng ating Midas Engine. Pwede din pinapadali po nito yung ating work by having 3D tools import. We can import it to 3D tools or export it to 3D tools. We can extract and import member information including geometric shape offsets po using other 3D tools. Lastly, we can analyze the software pwede po natin siyang i-import or i-export sa isang analysis software. Pwede po natin siyang i-export. We can export analysis data such as special loadings or auto-converted to nodal loadings and import analysis results and data of an analysis software model. And we can generate the design deliverables using Midas Engine po pag ginamit po natin yung ibang analysis software. So, That's it for the overview of our Midas engine, the next generation solution for building analysis and design. Now, if you have more questions, you can always visit us at, or you can always follow us on our social media accounts. We have our Facebook groups at facebook.com/groups/slash Midas PH Lab. And you can also visit or like our page facebook.com/MidasITPH. Now again, this is Engineer Louis Alcarte. Thank you so much for your time listening to my introduction to Midas Engine, and I hope that in the future we all use Midas Engine for the betterment of our projects and for the ease of our work. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching the video.